Hello, good people. Today we gonna learn how to make a point. For that we gonna need a small piece of paper. And of course a pen. Position the pen above the piece of paper, target in the middle of it. And sting. Congratulations! Now clearly you've made a point. But if there are other universes where certain events had different outcomes, where just one crucial decision in point went a different way, then you need to share this point to your friends, family, pets and plants. Don't forget to like and follow me for more. Have a nice day.